Style.ai is the personal stylist AI you've been waiting for. And in this review, I'm going to walk you through the 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released software. Whether you're looking for a new way to revamp your wardrobe or need personalized fashion advice, Style.ai is designed to elevate your style game. Stick with me till the end, because I'll be giving you a special opportunity to try Style.ai completely free. Let's dive right into it. First off, Style.ai brings advanced AI to personal styling in a way you probably haven't seen before. Using algorithms, it analyzes your current wardrobe and helps you create endless outfit combinations, even recommending new pieces to complement what you already own. The cool part? It learns your preferences over time, giving you increasingly tailored suggestions based on your personal style. One thing to note is that it doesn't just look at clothing. Style.ai takes into account your body type, color preferences, and even occasion needs. Whether you're dressing for a formal event or casual day out, it's a complete fashion assistant, and unlike a traditional stylist, it's available 24/7. Imagine having a personal stylist at your fingertips without the high price tag. The second feature that sets Style.ai apart is its integration with online shopping platforms. You can connect your favorite fashion stores directly to the app. This allows Style.ai to recommend pieces available for purchase right now, based on your tastes and what's missing from your wardrobe. So, if you're missing that perfect blazer or just need some new accessories, it finds them for you instantly. Another thing that makes Style.ai unique is its style evolution tracking. Over time, as you use it, it tracks how your style changes and adapts. This is a huge bonus for anyone who wants to evolve their wardrobe over time and stay up to date with trends without constantly having to reevaluate their entire wardrobe. Now, style. AI also has a social feature which might surprise you. You can share your outfit choices with a community of fashion enthusiasts and get feedback. It adds a layer of social proof that can really help if you're unsure about trying something new. Plus, you get access to inspiration from others, which can push you to try things you might never have considered. Next, let's talk about Style.ai's user-friendly interface. The design is sleek, intuitive, and really easy to navigate. Whether you're a tech-savvy user or someone new to AI-driven apps, you'll be able to pick it up quickly and start getting value immediately. The app doesn't overwhelm you with unnecessary features. It focuses on the essentials to get you looking your best without the hassle. A lot of personal stylist services are either too generic or overpriced. Style.ai, however, gives you premium stylist services at a fraction of the cost, all without requiring you to commit to a monthly subscription or a personal consultation. It's one of the most affordable and practical ways to get personal styling advice at your convenience. And lastly, Style.ai has a free trial. That's right, you can try it out for yourself, no strings attached. It's the best way to see if it fits your needs and your personal style. And the cool thing is, if you're looking for an AI that just works out of the box, Style.ai is a fantastic option that requires minimal setup to start seeing results. So if you're curious about this new AI-powered personal stylist, I highly recommend giving Style.ai a shot. You can check it out for free through the first link in the description below. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've compiled a list of my top recommendations in the description. Just take a look and feel free to try out the best software out there for your needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.